How to log into your Capital One credit card account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Capital One credit card account. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type capitalone.com. Make sure to enter the correct keyword here. Now once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Now with this link, you will be taken to the official website of Capital One. In this page, you will find sign in section at the top. Here you will need to input your username and password in the fields provided. In the first box, you need to enter your username, and in the second box, you need to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct details here in order to log into your account without any trouble. You may also click on this Remember Me box right below the username box if you want your username to be remembered for future logins. Or in case if you don't remember your username or password and have forgotten it, you may click on this Forgot Username or Password link below the sign-in fields and follow the prompts to recover your account information. Also, if you don't have an account yet or you are the first-time user, you can click on this Setup Online Access link near the sign-in area and follow the instructions to create your account. Now once you have entered all the details correctly, click on the sign in button right here and then you'll be able to log in to your Capital One credit card account. After logging in, you can view your statements, make payments and many more. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Capital One credit card account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.